surprising uses of lemons in your household. Welcome to our eco-friendly channel. Feel free to browse through all our videos. We aim to help you live a healthier and happier lives by give you eco-friendly tips for different aspects of your life. Just like vinegar, lemons are great cleaning agents. Lemons contain acids that have antiseptic and antibacterial properties, plus, it serves as a natural alternative to bleach. You can use it to clean copper-bottom pots and pans. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent, and that means you can use it to whiten your clothes and linens. It is also an effective degreasing agent and glass cleaning alternative. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Clean the microwave. Do you have a dirty microwave? Do you wish to get it cleaned before the holiday or celebration with minimal work? Did you know that there's a simple way of cleaning your microwave without too much elbow grease? Use lemon to clean this kitchen appliance and see its amazing effects. It will help you get a spotless clean microwave without having to use harsh chemicals in a spot where you cook or heat your food. So, if you have been trying to avoid cleaning your microwave all time, this extremely easy and simple lemon trick will surely make you happy. Clean wooden cutting board. Your wooden cutting boards are among the many things in your kitchen that are often neglected. You have to give it a good clean every once in a while. All you need is lemon, some salt, and a bit of effort. All you need to do is sprinkle coarse salt on the cutting board and then scour its surface using the cut side part of the lemon. Don't forget to squeeze the lemon as you go because its juice can help in cleaning the board. Clean butcher block countertops. It can be quite challenging to get rid of the stains in a butcher block countertop. Fortunately, you don't need to sand or re-oil your butcher block just to get rid of major stains. For minor stains, scrub salt with the lemon's pulp onto the butcher block surface. If you are dealing with stubborn or tougher stains, use a cloth to apply a solution that's made of water and hydrogen peroxide. Freshen up the garbage disposal. Have you ever noticed a weird stench in your kitchen but it was not the trash? Were you able to trace the smell to your garbage disposal? There is a way for you to clean and freshen it up. Even though garbage disposals are self-cleaning, there are instances when sludge accumulate on its sides and food particles stick to its grinders. All these can cause that stinky odor in your kitchen. Clean the garbage disposal by pouring hot water and a bit of dish detergent. Throw in a few ice cubes and kosher salt down the disposal. Repeat the process a few times. Once done, the last thing you can do is freshen it up by grinding up a few lemon peels. Deodorize stinky plastic containers. As you know by now, lemon is an effective deodorizer. Rub one on the inside of a smelly plastic container and voila! The awful stench is gone. Check out our other cleaning tips where hydrogen peroxide is used as a home cleaner. Check the links in the description below.